The law of attraction of the universe. To believe or not to believe in him is your right, but the fact that he works is for sure. Let's figure out exactly how. The law of attraction of the universe sounds like this: this attracts the like. Examples: if you surround yourself with certain people, then soon you can become one of them. If you believe in something very much, then the plan is sure to be fulfilled. This law works through our subconscious, for which there is no difference between what is happening in the present and what is in the imagination. Therefore, thinking about the positive and we need things, we set ourselves to achieve them. This is a kind of brain programming. All thoughts become material. Even if you find yourself in a situation that brought you a lot of disappointment, grief, pain, failure, try to give yourself a gift, tune into the good in the future, begin to visualize your new reality, in which you will be comfortable, calm and joyful. Meditation helps greatly in this, because during practice you plunge into a special condition in which you remain alone with yourself and your thoughts. There you will be able to create images that will then be pulled into your life. Successful practices.